Dear students, today we shall continue with the chapter Rational Numbers and Irrational Numbers. Exercise 1C, question number 3. Number 3. Rationalize the denominator of number 1, 3 by root 5. Solution. In 3 by root 5 is an irrational number and 3 is a rational number. So question, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means the denominator make a rational number. This is a irrational number. For that, next step we have tried 3 by root 5 into the denominator is root 5. So that we have to rationalize same that root 5 multiply in numerator and denominator. So root 5 multiply in denominator and numerator. The value will not change. Then next line 3 into root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. Root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. So that will be the last answer. Therefore the answer is 3 root 5 by 5. Now second question, 2 root 3 by root 5. So denominator is root 5. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize means denominator make a rational number. So first 2 root 3 by root 5 multiply the numerator and denominator by the same denominator. So root 5 in numerator and denominator multiplying. Then next step 2 root 3 into root 5 means 2 into root 3 into root 5 root 15. And denominator root 5 into root 5 answer is 5. 5 is a rational number. So this is the answer. Next number 3. One by root 3 minus root 2. By root 3 minus root 2. Denominator is root 3 minus root 2. So that's equal to. Now for making the denominator rational number, you have to write the conjugate of the denominator. So root 3 minus root 2 is the denominator. So you have to multiply here root 3 plus root 2. This is minus, here it is, its conjugate is plus. Root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. So the same thing you have to multiply in numerator also. Root 3 plus root 2. Then next step 1 into root 3 plus root 2 means same 1 root 3 plus root 2. Now denominator root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 in the formula form a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So this we will write root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 we will write root 3 square minus root 2 square. So a square minus b square form. A is in the place of a root 3 and in the place of b root 2. So a square became root 3 square minus b square root 2 square. So numerator same. Then next root 3 square, denominator is root 3 plus root 2 and denominator root 3 square means 3 minus root 2 square means 2. Then root 3 plus root 2 in numerator, 3 minus 2 answer is 1. Anything divided by 1, this is same only it is coming. So it's equal to root 3 plus root 2. Next step question number 4. 3 by root 5 plus root 2. So denominator is root 5 plus root 2. Its conjugate is root 5 minus root 2. Here plus this is a minus. So root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. So denominator we multiply root 5 minus root 2. So in numerator also same thing you have to multiply 3 into root 5 minus root 2. So these two will be always equal. Then 3 into root 5 minus root 2 by, now denominator like the formula form a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. In the place of a root 5 and in the place of b root 2. Then a square became root 5 square minus b square is root 2 square. Then next step 3 into root 5 minus root 2 all by root 5 square means it is 5 minus root 2 square means 2. Then next step numerator same only and subtraction of the denominator 5 minus 2 answer is 3. denominator 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Then these two 3's we are cutting here again. Then what is remaining? Root 5 minus root 2. That's the answer. Now next question. Number 5. Question number 5. Number 5, 2 minus root 3 all by 2 plus root 3. Solution. Then denominator is 2 plus root 3. So we have to multiply 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 in numerator and denominator. So 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Same question. 2 plus root 3 conjugate is 2 minus root 3. Same numerator and denominator multiplying. Then now numerator is like 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 means 2 minus root 3 whole square. So example, x into x means x square. A minus b into a minus b means a minus b whole square. P plus q into p plus q means p plus q whole square. So same thing 2 times means square form of that thing. Okay. Then here numerator we are writing 2 minus root 3 2 times, then 2 minus root 3 whole square. Denominator is like a plus b into a minus b formula form. A plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So in the place of a 2 and the place of b root 3. So a square 2 square minus b square became root 3 square. Then next step, this numerator like a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula result is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then say all 2 square answer is 4 minus root 3 square answer is 3. Once again I'll repeat, 2 minus root 3 whole square like the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then here in the place of a 2 and the place of b root 3, then a square became 2 square. See the formula, and plus b square. B square means root 3 square minus 2ab. Minus 2 means 2 into first 2 this number into first place 2 into root 3 all by 2 square answer is 4 minus root 3 square answer 3. Then next step, 2 square is equal to 4 plus root 3 square 3 minus 2 into 2 4 root 3 4 into 4 all by 4 minus 3 answer is 1. Then next 4 plus 3 7 minus 4 root 3 all by 1. All by 1 means the same numerator 7 minus 4 root 3. Next question number 9. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 all by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Solution. Then here denominator is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So that conjugate means 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 we are multiplying numerator and denominator. First same question and the denominator is conjugate 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 in multiplying numerator and denominator. Then next line will be numerator like a plus b into a plus b. Same thing 2 times. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 2 times. So then we can write 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 all square. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 all square all by denominator like a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b formula form. That is a square minus b square. In the place of a 2 root 5 and the place of b 3 root 2. A square became 2 root 5 all square minus b square means that is 3 root 2 all square. Now numerator like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab formula form. So, remove the bracket, then a square means 2 root 5 all square plus b square means 3 root 2 all square plus 2 into 2 root 5 into 3 root 2 all by denominator how to remove the bracket. 2 root 5 all square means first in bracket 2 is the rational number and root 5 is irrational. These two separate square and open the bracket. 2 square root 5 square minus 3 root 2 all square means 3 square into root 2 square. Then next numerator also you have to open this bracket. Then 2 square into root 5 square plus 3 square into root 2 square plus numbers here 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Root 5 into root 2. Root 5 into root 2. All by 2 square means it is 4 into root 5 square means 5 minus 3 square answer is 9 into root 2 square means it is 2. Next numerator when you calculate 2 square means 4. 4 into root 5 square means 5. 4 into 5 20. 3 square means 9. Root 2 square means 2. 9 into 2 means 18. Here 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. Root 5 into root 2. 5 into 2 10. So 12 root 10. Denominator 4 into 5 20. Minus 9 into 2 18. So next line it is 20 plus 18 plus 12 root 10 all by 20 minus 18. Now 20 plus 18 38 plus 12 root 10. This is a rational number. These two are rational numbers. So we cannot add rational and irrational. Then 20 minus 18 2. Next from numerator 2 taking common. So from 18 2 take outside means 2 how many times in 18? That is 19 times. Or 2 into 19 18 plus. Now from 12 root 10 2 take already outside. So what is 2 outside means 2 how many times in 12? 2 6 times 6 in root 10 all by denominator 2. So 2 and 2 cutting remaining 19 plus 6 root 10. Next number 4. For find the values of a and b in each of the following. Question number 1. 2 root 3 by root 2 minus root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. Solution. Same question and rationalize the left side portion like last questions. Here 2 minus root 3 is the denominator. Its conjugate is 2 plus root 3. Numerator and denominator same thing we are multiplying here. And the denominator 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 became 2 plus root 3 all square. All by 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 is like a minus b into a plus b formula form. Then a square minus b square form. As a means 2 square minus b root 3 square equal to right side same thing. Now 2 plus root 3 all square is like a plus b all square formula form. A plus b all square formula is a square a plus b all square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This formula we are using in next step. Then a square means first place it is 2. B place root 3. Then a square 2 square plus b square root 3 square plus 2 into formula 2ab. 2 into a is 2. 2 into 2 into root 3. 2 into 2 into root 3. All by 2 square answer is 4 minus root 3 square answer is 3. Next step 2 square 4 root 3 square 3. 2 into 2 4 into root 3 means 4 root 3 all by 1. 4 minus 3 answer is 1. Then next that's equal to right side same only. Next 4 plus 3 answer is 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. Right side same. Now compare left side and right side. Then a equal to 7. So when you compare this left and right a value and b value, you have to compare and equate and find out. On equating the irrational parts, a equal to 7 from it is clear only. Now b root 3 equal to 4 root 3 means root 3 cutting. Or direct also we can write it. B place it is here 4. So we can write here 4 root 3 equal to b root 3. Then root 3 cutting here from both sides. Then b equal to 4. A equal to 7 and b equal to 4. So answer. Next question number 3. Question number 3. 3 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a root 3 minus b root 2. Find the value of a and b. Solution, writing the same question and rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means write the conjugate of the denominator. So root 3 minus root 2 is in denominator, so its conjugate is root 3 plus root 2. So multiply that one in numerator and denominator. Then 3 into root 3 plus root 2 all by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 equal to right side. Then next 3 into root 3 plus root 2 all by this denominator is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 square equal to right side. Then next step 3 into root 3 plus root 2 all by root 3 square is 3 minus root 2 square 2 is equal to right side same. Next 3 into root 3 plus root 2 all by 3 minus 2 answer is 1 is equal to right side. Then is equal to 3 root 3 open the bracket, remove this bracket. 3 into root 3 3 root 3 plus 3 into root 2 3 root 2 equal to a root 3 minus b root 2. Now compare both sides by getting by a value and b value. Then a root 3 equal to 3 root 3. So comparing time a equal to this 3. A equal to 3. And now here we can find just for finding b value. 3 root 2 equal to minus b root 2. Minus b root 2. So both sides compare. Then root 2 cutting here. So what we can see here, minus b equal to 3. Minus b equal to 3. That means b equal to minus 3. So that way, or directly we can write b minus b equal to 3. Then b equal to opposite sign, b equal to minus 3. Then next number 5, next question. Simplify. First question, 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1 plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Then solution, next same question, rationalize the denominator of each term. First you have to do rationalize the denominator of each term. Same procedure you have to follow. So first term 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1. So denominator is 2 root 3 plus 1. Its conjugate is 2 root 3 minus 1. So it's 2 root 3 minus 1 multiply in numerator and denominator plus second time 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1 and denominator 2 root 3 minus 1. Its conjugate is 2 root 3 plus 1. 2 root 3 plus 1 multiply in numerator and denominator. Then next 22 into 2 root 3 minus 1 all by, here denominator is a plus b into a minus b form. All questions denominator always in the formula form a plus b into a minus b. Then 2 root 3 all square minus 1 square plus 17 into 2 root 3 plus 1 all by, here also a minus b into a plus b. Then a square minus b square means 2 root 3 all square minus 1 square. Now 2 root 3 all square means already know that how to open the. Here 2 root 3 all square means 2 square into root 3 square. 2 square means 4. Root 3 square means 3. 4 into 3, 12. 1 square means 1. Again here also 2 root 3 all square. 2 root 3 all square, first 2 squaring. Then 2 square 4. Root 3 square means it is 3. 4 into 3, 12 minus 1. Denominator is 12 minus 1 is there. So next step is this one here. 22 2 root 3 minus 1 all by 12 minus 1. 17 2 root 3 plus 1 all by 12 minus 1. Now 12 minus 1 means 11, both cases. Same numerator. Then next, both the denominators are same. So find out the LCM. 11 is the LCM. Common denominator or common denominator. The numerators 22 2 root 3 minus 1 plus 17 2 root 3 plus 1, 17 2 root 3 plus 1 all by 11 is common. Then open the bracket here. 22 into 2, 44. 44 root 3. First one is coming. 44 root 3. Then here it is a minus. 22 into 2, 44. 44 into root 3, 44 root 3. First place. Then this is minus, minus. 22 into 1, 22. Plus 17 into 2, 34. 34 root 3. 34 root 3. Plus 17 into 1, 17. All by 11. Now next 44 root 3 plus 34 root 3 we can add. 44 root 3 plus 34 root 3 means it is 78 root 3. Minus 22 plus 17. Minus 22 plus 7 plus 17 means it is minus 5. All by 11. That is the answer. Next question. Question number 2. Root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. Solution. And same procedure, denominator rationalize. Each terms of denominator first you have to rationalize. And first denominator root 6 minus root 2. Its conjugate is root 6 plus root 2. Root 6 plus root 2 multiply in numerator and denominator. Second denominator root 6 plus root 2. Its conjugate is root 6 minus root 2. So root 6 minus root 2 numerator and denominator multiplying. Then root 2 into root 6 plus root 2 all by, this is a minus b into a plus b formula form. Then a square minus b square. A square means root 6 square minus root 2 square minus numerator same thing. A plus b into a minus b formula form here. Then a square minus b square. A square means root 6 square minus root 2 square. Then next step, numerator same thing. Then root 6 square means 6 minus root 2 square means it is 2 minus numerator same thing only. Root 6 square means 6 minus root 2 square 2. Then next step, numerator same. 6 minus 2 answer is 4. Then next minus numerator same. 6 minus 2 answer is 4. And now find out the LCM or common denominator, same denominator, that is 4. Then numerator is root 2 plus root 2 into root 6 plus root 2 minus root 3 into root 6 minus root 2. Now open the, remove the brackets. Then root 2 into root 6 root 12. 6 into 2 12, that's why root 12. Now next root 2 into root 2. 2 into 2 4. So it is a minus plus sign. Root 2 into root 2 root 4. Then now multiply by minus root 3. Minus root 3 multiply by each term. Minus root 3 into root 6 means 6 into 3 18. So minus root 18. Next minus into minus plus root 3 into root 2 root 6 all by same 4. Next root 12 minus root 4 value means it is 2. Now 18 we can split it like this, 9 into 2. Root of 9 into 2 plus root 6 same all by 4. Now next step, I'll show you here itself. Next first time is root 12 minus 2 minus root 9 into 2 means root 9 value is 3. Root of 9 means that is 3 I will take outside into root 2 means same root 2 itself. So 3 root 2. Root of 9 into 2 we'll split, can write simplify, and we can write 3 root 2 plus last term is root 6 all by 4. Now we cannot add or subtract any of the terms from the numerator. Here root 12, here root 2. So we cannot add or root 6, all different numbers. So this will be the last answer. Okay.